Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm a game developer and currently working on my game called the Cartel Blood and Business. So we have decided to buy a motion capture suit for capturing all the cutscenes and various animations required in our game. So we have ordered a mocap suit from Rokoko, which is actually pretty popular. Generally, we have two types of mocap suits. That is, one is inertia based and one is camera based. So what we have ordered is inertia based, so it is under the budget. Currently it is priced at 2.8 lakh rupees, but since we are in India, we have to pay customs duty and taxes, so it will take overall about 3.4 lakhs in total, and it may cost you more since you have to go for BIS certification and EPR, etc. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing part of the video. So let's start first unboxing the smart gloves. So this is actually the first model. The second model is releasing soon. So as you can see, it is written, the future is in your hands. So let's open it. Okay, we have a nice packaging here. So we have the case, smart gloves. Okay, let's keep it aside and see what else is in the box. So if we pull this, you can see there are two USB-C to USB-A cables. This is for connecting the gloves to the computer. Since we have purchased the Rokoko Smartsuit Pro, which is glove ready, we will not be using this cable actually. So let's check out our gloves. Okay, so let's unbox them. So as you can see, we have a pair of gloves. So let's open it. Yes. So the quality looks very good. Okay. Yes, it does feel premium. So you can actually see it has sensors here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on each of the finger, and this is the main, I think, computer for this one. So okay, let's get to unboxing the smart suit actually. Now we have the Smartsuit Pro II, which is glove ready. So let's unbox it. Okay, it's actually really good, as you can see. Okay, we have the getting started manual. Let's keep it aside and let's open the suit. Okay, it is pretty huge. So I actually ordered the L size for myself. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so we have a cable for connecting the suit to the computer, and we have one more manual, and let's see what's in this bag. Okay, we just have a bunch more cables. This is silica gel packet. So let's move on to unboxing the headcam, and then I will suit up and show you how it looks. So I have here the headcam, so let's unbox it. As you can see, we have the headcam right here. So there are actually two variants in this. One is a head rig and is another headcam. So if you want to use a head rig, you have to attach your phone here. Actually, you will have a nice mount, but the disadvantage is that it will actually weigh on your back of your head, but this is a very lightweight one actually. So let's open it. Okay, first let me get this manual out. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, this is the band for connecting this head rig. Okay, as you can see, it has a cable. So actually, if you want to use this head rig, you can either connect this cable to your computer directly, or you can connect it to an Android or an iPhone device, so that you can wirelessly stream it to the Rokoko Studio. So let's get this out completely. Okay, you can see we have the camera right here, and you can adjust the sensor if it's not focusing properly. So we have to attach it. So I'll attach it and get back to you full suited up. So let's get there. Hey guys, so you can see I have totally suited up. So this is the headband for tracking the head movements, and as you can see I have worn the gloves also. This is for tracking the finger movements. So So this actually directly connects to the suit because my suit is glove ready version, and you can see there are so many sensors all over the place on my body. So I have already done the calibration pose, so you can see on the screen how the body moves and how exactly it will show you my finger movements and my body movements, etc. See, I can do anything and it will show in real time. See, so I think it's a very good product because I have been testing it for maybe 2+ hours right now, and I'm getting used to it. And if you are an indie game developer looking to buy Rokoko Smartsuit Pro, I think you should just go for it. I know it is a bit higher in the price range, but I think it is actually worth it if you really need it to be, animating in your games. So I also tag Rokoko playlist for setting up the device and etc. You can check it out. So guys, as you can see on the screen, I have set up a character and I have created a small animation for you to see. So let's see if it actually works. So you can see the character can move. Now I'll play the animation. As you can see, the animation is being played, but the hands are going through his body, and there is a lot of small mistakes because I haven't completely, cleaned up the animation. I just exported from Rokoko Studio into Unreal Engine and retargeted it, that's it. But when you are doing for your game or something else, what you want to do is in the Rokoko Studio itself, you have to clean up as much as possible, and then when you import it into Unreal Engine, you want to retarget to the character you want, and then you have to clean up a little based on the bone structure, etc. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please stay tuned to my channel.